In this example, we have 200 litres in the tank and 5 litres of start and taxi fuel. Now we have to calculate the total fuel required for the trip. To do this, add up the times in your ETI column on your navigation log. In this example, we get a total of 60 minutes. We add this value to our fuel calculation. In litres, that'll be 40 litres as we're travelling for an hour. We're not worried about variable fuel reserve or alternate fuel. However, fixed fuel reserve is a legal requirement. More information can be found in Cap 234-1 in section 4. In this case, we'll use 45 minutes, which equates to 30 litres, as this is something that most flight schools will get their students to do. No additional or holding fuel. Next, we have to calculate the total fuel required for the trip. We add up the columns, so minutes will add up to 105, and then we add up our total litres required, which is 75. We're not worried about discretionary fuel. This is the important bit. This is where we figure out how long we have before the fuel tanks fill up with air. So to do this, I'm going to draw a black line between the minutes and the litres column. This is so I don't calculate the endurance purely based off my litres in the tank. So we'll work anti-clockwise to get to our endurance in minutes. This helps us account for that 5 litres of start and taxi fuel. To calculate our margin fuel, we'll take our endurance and subtract the fuel required. This, in this case, gives us 125 litres. Now we'll work out how many minutes that 125 litres will carry us for. To do this, use the formula on the screen. And if we use that, we get a total of 187 minutes. Rounded down, of course. Now finally, to figure out our endurance, it's simple. We just add the fuel required to the margin fuel and we get a total of 292 minutes. For the flight plan sheet used in the video, go to AIP en route 1.1. Cheers, see ya.